All right, we're in a 15-minute Sibi on Nas. If I get an IFEG here, I'm probably going to short and aim for the first presented fair value gap. Got an IFEG right there. If it holds, it might not hold. This is the one I'm looking at right there. This could deliver higher for sure, but let me see. Let's see, it might deliver higher. We might be going to this wick right here. We do got 15-minute bullish order block, and we're trying to invert this 15-minute Sibi. We're in a macro right now. I can't tell if I want to go long or short, honestly. If this turns into an order block, then I would probably go long. But if this turns into an IFEG, then I'm shorting. Why? Because we are in a bearish fair value gap on 15, but we also are delivering off of a 15-minute bullish order block. So let's see. ES already ran that high, so I think it's bearish SMT. Hold on. It's bearish SMT. ES already ran it. I'm going short. If this starts to tank down, I'll go short. But right now, it's still holding that. It's still holding that. But we got equal lows and first presented fair value gap down here, so I'm about to go ahead and go short. Little trade, nothing too crazy. Actually, let me go ahead and hold on. 11. I'm gonna add some more. That gap trying to play me right now. It's trying to play me. I should have waited for it to actually close below, but I feel like the bearish SMT should help. Come on, buddy. All right, let's see what the 315 macro does. My stop over the top, safety first. I'm gonna, come on, bro. I'm gonna try to partial right here. Buy 2, now I wanna buy 3. Actually, I wanna buy 4. I ain't gonna play with it. All right, let's do it. Come on, baby. Let's go. Partial. Wow. Got one contract on. Let's see what we got. That was a good little partial right there. Now let's see if we get all the way to the first presented fair value gap. It's kind of a big ask, but we are in a 15-minute Sibi. We do have bearish SMT with ES. The 15-minute is this purple area right here, and it is bearish SMT on this high right here. Hold on. Boom. On that high right there. So I want to see us get to some type of ERL, which would technically be right here, but since the first presented fair value gap is right here, this purple, I want to see if we get all the way there. Now we add a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, so that could play defense. As you see, we getting a reaction, but let's see. If I'm as cold as I think I am, price will hit my TP, my second TP, not my first one. I should put my stop at break even. A break even trade would be so weak though, bro. I'm not gonna put it at break even yet just because this is a breakaway gap. And I don't want it to like come up, hit my breakaway gap, and then tap me out when it was just like rebalancing the gap. So let's see. If it just melts off of this immediate rebalance, we should definitely just go. It's equal lows down there, and it's first presented fair value gap. So let's see. Just gotta be careful because we in a bullish PD array too. When price is stuck between PD arrays, it bounces around like this. 333. It's 333. See it. If we can invert this bullish fair value gap that we holding right now, I would think we would tank. Talking about this one right here. There's a tiny little order block right here that's created. I would love to see that be respected. Love it. Really nice. Do it. Come on, bro. I know you want to, Nas. I know you want to drop down. Let's go. Give me a strong close below that buy side or that bullish fair value gap you in right now. This one right here. Give me a strong close below. Right there. It's 8 seconds left, Nas. Look at that. 2 seconds left. Close right above it. Come on, Nas. Yeah. No. 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 Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes. 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 No. No. Ah. I'm really waiting for Nas to get just like this second boost of like his second win to just tap in and just tank price. It's 337. Come on, Nas. If we can just get below that Sibi or that Bissy, buy side imbalance, sell side imbalance, whatever the fuck it's called, we would be Gucci. Let's go. We got a little close below it. Let's go. Let's go. Watch this. Yes, sir. One more. Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. Come on, bro. I want you to pay attention to these equal lows right here. Right there. I want to see price run these with speed and tap right into the first presented fair value gap from the AM. It can tap into the one from the PM, but I'm satisfied with this right here. Come on, Nas, with all these wicks and stuff, bro. What are we doing? Sometimes you gotta talk to Nas like just to make it understand. Sometimes it don't be understanding. Come on, bro. Nas is pushing below the 15-minute bullish fair value gap CE. There's 5 minutes left in the 15-minute candle. Here, it's right here. See it? I don't know if you can see it, but let's go, Nas. Fucking banger. If I wasn't already up so much for the day, I would have had more money on the line on this trade, but I'm really just sharpening my skills. practicing my model, sticking to the process, not thinking about the money. Come on, Nas. The fuck is we doing, bro? That 8:30 open, that blue dotted line right there, that shit be hating, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I do see this bearish order block right here. I want it to hold. Mm. God damn it, Nas. Come on, bro. Come on, Nas. Do it. Right there. Now I want to see it just sprint for the downside, bro. This price action is slow. All right, now it's 342. We get into like the tail end of that hourly candle. So I'm looking for price to just tank to my TP. Y'all see already, like, yeah, man. Champagne model, insane. I'm not gonna lie. All right, at this point, I gotta move my stop into profit just to be a responsible adult. Come on, Nas. Let's finish the job, bro. This is a good ass trade. Even if you were to take profit right now, this would be an amazing trade. No drawdown. It's like a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 almost, something like that. Come on, bro. God damn. It's like a time lapse, bro. You see how we had like consolidation, expansion, consolidation? I'm expecting another expansion soon. I'm just hoping it's not a reversal. But we getting towards the end of the hourly candle, so the 15-minute candle, a new 15-minute candle opens up in 2 seconds. Let's see what it does. It's a new 15-minute candle. With these type of trades, you know it's gonna be tough. Like, it's the end of the day, we buying into a lot of bullish levels, so I expect like a little chop. If I had more risk on, I would have been out of this trade already, but I want to see if it goes to the first presented fair value gap. That's the whole point of this trade, so I'm holding it. I'm looking at ES, and there's also tiny SMT right here. Yeah, ES actually ran out that high. If we can close below that 8:30 open, we should just melt. It's 8:30 open. Defensive player of the year right now, though. This blue dotted line right here is the 8:30 open. We got 28 seconds left in this candle. Get a close below, we should run below these equal lows. So let me just do this. Bro, it's taking forever. Come on, Nas. What are we doing, bro? Nas having a very difficult time getting through these bullish key levels. There's no volume. It's trying, though. It's still respecting bearish order flow. It's tough, though. It's trying to get through it, but it's having a hard time. I want to see that get respected. I want to see that get respected on some IRL to ERL shit. Oh my God. Ooh. That's nice, Nas. All right, let's do it. It's 350. That's a 350 candle. Come on, Nas. Stop playing around, bro. We got a little volume. Send it down there. Let's go. Let's go. That would probably be my TP right there, but I want to see it go to the first presented fair value gap. Come on, Nas. Keep going, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, don't you do that. Oh, don't you do that. Oh, Nas. Oh, Nas. No, you not about to do that, bro. What are we doing? Nas. What the my TP right here, bro. Stop playing, bro. Go to the first presented fair value gap and let's get the video over with. Come on. Where they at? You gotta put them on. You gotta put them on. Come on. Oh, what the Yes, sir. TP smack. This was a fucking banger, bro. Look at that. Look at that. That's how you use the first presented fair value gap as a target, bro. This is the first presented fair value gap from PM session right here. Over here, look left, y'all see 130, 136. There's a fair value gap right there. See how I use it as a target? This was beautiful, bro. We had bearish SMT right there on that high with ES. Oh my God, it was so nice. Boom. This is a 15-minute fair value gap right here. Change the color. This was nice, bro. This is a nice ass trade. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, that was good. Yeah, that macro kicked in and went to work. For y'all to be saying macros don't work, beautiful trade, man. That's all I got for this video. Until the next one, out.